The main goal is to protect any folder from accidental deletion. Creating a test folder and deleting it. The script we need is right here. It just makes things easier. You can also do it manually. Copying the script. This is just for the right-click context menu. We'll need it later. Saving and adding it to the registry. Now comes the most critical part. Editing permissions on the drive root. Tweaking the default administrator permissions. Unchecking delete subfolders and files. Make sure to apply it to all subfolders. This is important. Normal deletion still works fine. You still have the delete rights. A newly created folder inherits permissions correctly from the root. Deleted with no issues. Now let's lock the folder using our new context menu. We added an explicit deny delete for administrators only for this specific folder. Trying to delete. Access denied. It does not delete either. The drive is fine. Any new folder can still be deleted. Now I will show that these permissions do not affect normal work with files and folders. We can easily create a file inside. Let's also try to delete the folder this way. Oops, didn't work. Still blocked. The file inside deletes with no issues. It doesn't affect working with or editing files. We got a regular folder that simply cannot be deleted accidentally. Let's try to rename it. Blocked again. The bottom line is, it works. Docker containers inside these folders run perfectly. Let's remove the delete deny in the usual way. But doing it via the new right-click menu is much faster. The protected folder is now deleted. I hope I can help save your data with this find. Check out my article for a full breakdown.